Hey guys, it's Shannon. Before we get started, I wanted to take a second to thank Lull for sponsoring today's video.
Give you a little rundown on this space. We are renovating a 100-year-old home, and this is the master bedroom. It's about 14 by 15 foot size, and it has 9-foot tall, beautiful ceilings. And this was the only room in the entire house that did not have white trim. So we opted to go ahead and paint the trim white in this room. I'm so glad we did this. It brightened up the room and gave it a nice, clean, and fresh look. Did end up working on this room in sections because it was so big. We were able to leave our bed and a few pieces of furniture in the room while we worked on it. So we painted the trim and the walls on this section of the room first before we moved around to the other side of the room. We did decide to pick a pretty bold color for this bedroom because of the bedroom size and the tall ceilings. I knew the space could handle this dark color. We chose the color Arches by Magnolia Home for the wall color. It is a very, very dark navy blue color, and the color itself says it's almost black with a blue undertone, and it goes on just beautifully. We chose to go with the Magnolia paint because it's a very high quality paint, and being that we were doing such a dark color, I knew I wanted a high quality paint that was going to have really good coverage, because that would save us some coats of paint along the way. Investing in this more high quality paint definitely worked out in our favor. We only needed 2 coats to cover the walls with this dark color. I did a very thin layer the first coat just so that the walls would have a base coat of paint, and then the second coat we went in much more generously with the blue, and it covered just perfectly. And here's a look at one of the walls dried after just 1 coat of the paint. We also went ahead and painted all the outlet and switch plates as well as the outlets. I didn't want white squares around the room. I really wanted the outlets to blend well into the new walls. Once this side of the room was completely painted, we added some brand new 2-inch faux wood white blinds. I love how bright and crisp and clean the white adds to the darker color. It sort of balances it nicely, and it doesn't weigh down the room. Then it was time to move to the other side of the bedroom where we have lots of doors. We have a closet with sliding doors. We have another door that goes into the studio. And we also have gorgeous, gigantic pocket doors, which are a huge feature to this house that makes us just love it so much. So again, we started by painting all of the trim out white, as we did on the other side of the room, as well as all of the doors. So all the wood doors were also painted white. And here is a closer look at those beautiful pocket doors. They were already sort of an off-white color, but we wanted them to match and flow nicely with the rest of the room, so they got a fresh coat of white paint. Here is a look at the room completely painted with fresh trim, door paint, and wall paint. And make sure you stay tuned to the end because I will have lots more before and after pictures for you to see. I also have a question and could use your opinion, so stay tuned for that. But we also have a new addition to the bedroom as well. So not only did our bedroom get an update, but so did our bed. As you can see here, our old mattress, we tried to elongate the life with a foam mattress topper, but it really just wasn't cutting it. So we knew it was time for a new mattress. Our brand new queen-sized Lull mattress was delivered right to our front door, and it was so easy to bring inside and into our bedroom. And we were so excited to open this and try out our new mattress. I loved how everything arrived. It was nicely packaged and very condensed and compact, and it was very easy to open up the box, get inside, and remove the mattress. Just a look at the mattress inside the box. It was pretty cool to see a huge queen size mattress condensed down and vacuum packed inside the smaller size box. It was really easy to remove the mattress from the box. You probably could do this with one person, but if you have an extra set of hands, it definitely does help. Once it was removed from the box, we simply placed the mattress on our existing box spring, and then it was time for the fun part. Everything comes wrapped in a thick plastic to protect your mattress, and once that outer protective plastic layer was removed, then the mattress was able to unroll. Once the mattress was on our bed, you can see here it is still vacuum packed inside more protective plastic. So we opened that up and it immediately started expanding and looking more like a mattress. It was actually really exciting and fun to watch our brand new Lull mattress expand. And it fit just perfect on our existing box spring. I was so pleasantly surprised and impressed by the quality of the fabric that's on this mattress. It is just so luxurious feeling and very soft. You can tell it is really well made. And after only 2 hours, our mattress had fully expanded, and you can see here how plush the mattress is. I am so excited to pass along this special offer from Lull, which is $150 off your mattress purchase. You will also receive free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial. You'll find all the details about this offer down in the description box below. After a week of sleeping on our new mattress, I have to say it is a huge improvement over our previous mattress, and we just could not be happier. I also want to mention that our sheets and our bedding for our new room also fit the mattress just perfectly. Not only does the new paint color as well as the new bedding really help bring our brand new bedroom all together, but the addition of our new Lull mattress really gives us that luxurious feeling. I am just loving the way our new bedding looks on our brand new bed and our brand new bedroom. All of the bedding is basically from IKEA, except the throw on the end is from Home Goods. I am so excited to finally accessorize the bedroom now that it's all put together. And my question for you is, would you add curtains to those windows in our bedroom? We do need a new headboard, so that will be coming. But I want to know down in the comments below, would you leave the windows the way they are, or would you add curtains? Thank you guys so much for following me along on this bedroom makeover. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you. You can share this with your friends and family and inspire them as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I hope you'll subscribe so that you can follow us along as we continue to renovate our 100-year-old home. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!